So what if I take this piece of Chromadek that I've got here, and I've got all these colors here that we spray paint layer by layer until we've got all these colors onto the board. Using the artwork behind me, we take it to the fiber laser and we engrave just enough to reveal each color. Well, I have no idea if it's going to work, but it is a really cool idea, so let's find out. Okay, so we're here by our LabelMark program, and in Photoshop I separated each color by a layer and saved it exactly like that. And I want to show you what it looks like when we import layer by layer onto LabelMark. So here on LabelMark, I've gone ahead and I've imported every single layer and I've put them on top of each other. And here on the side we've got layer by layer listed here. So we select the layers that we don't want to engrave first, so we go ahead and delete those. So we're left with our green layer only, so that we can engrave green first. And once we've done that, we just repeat the process for each layer and each color. Okay, so for our settings here, I am going to rather not have one engraving at a time. I'm going to bypass this and I'm going to select continuous engraving. And then for our speed, I'm not going to be doing 1000, which is normal. I'm going to be doing 200 millimeters per second. And then for our power, I'm going to be going 100. Now, the reason for this purely is so because I'm doing continuous engraving, I can actually visualize where I'm happy with what color we've actually engraved, and then I'm going to stop the engraving. So that way I can kind of create my own visual artwork with the colors that we have gone and spray painted, and by doing continuous I can stop it whenever I want at the moment that I'm happy with the color. And even if that is halfway through the design, then so be it. At least then I have control over what color we're engraving through the enamel. Okay guys, so we have finally finished our piece here, and I must be honest with you, we didn't get the colors that we were looking for, but having it on continuous engrave allowed me to at least stop it remotely near a color that I was happy with. And by using Chromadek with the fiber laser, I think we came out with such a really cool bespoke kind of design here. I'm actually happier than what I was before. I got a more traditional look than normal, and I must say this feel of the actual painting enamel on Chromadek really has such a cool feel to it, and I really do like it. Doing this with the fiber laser on Chromadek really gave it such an awesome, cool look. And if you're wanting to do something like that for a custom logo that has this look and feel, I really suggest you do it, and thank you for watching.